Hi guys, Kirk here with World Monster Truck Alliance from Bakersfield, California at the Rabobank Arena. Interesting course tonight. Gonna try something a little different. Gonna go straight downhill over the jump and see who can go the farthest. Typical elimination style race. Just a little incline to the track. It should be quite interesting. We already had qualifying. Our top qualifier was a Victor Rangel and Shocker. Shocker draws Obsession. Obsession is WWE 51-55. Fourth qualifier was Airborne Ranger Paul Costantini, and he draws Tropical Thunder. Tropical Thunder is Dombro. Obsessed is the number 3 qualifier, and that is Bob Nickson in Obsessed. He's got Live Wire, Monster Jam 626. And our second quick qualifier was The Patriot. The Patriot is MonsterJammer 9879. And he draws Desperado. Desperado is Logscots. So that's your qualifying order. We're going to go ahead and try to get this show on the road, folks. Trying to figure out how we can do this and set up the camera so that A, it doesn't interfere with the cars, but B, you get a good view of the total course. Okay, so that should be the course. I think you can see it from there. And we'll start it off with our quick qualifier. Victor Rangel going up against WWE 51-55 and Obsession. With the gate, and they're off. Obsession flipped over kind of early, and there you see Victor Rangel. So, a big win for Shocker in the first round. Victor Rangel going on. Next up, Airborne Ranger and Tropical Thunder. Like I said, Airborne Ranger is Paul Costantini. Tropical Thunder, Dombro. And Wheel Stand by Tropical Thunder puts Paul Costantini and Airborne Ranger on to the next round. That's the gap if you want to see it. So Airborne Ranger goes on. Our next matchup, Obsessed and Livewire. So it's Bob Nickson and Obsessed. Livewire is Monster Jam 626. And Monster Jam 626 in Live Wire with the upset. So, once again, a great run there. And here's The Patriot, which is MonsterJammer 9879 going up against Logscots in Desperado. Great run, both trucks, but it looks like The Patriot, your number 2 qualifier, pulled it off. And so, down to our final 4 here in Bakersfield. It's Victor Rangel and Shocker and Airborne Ranger Paul Costantini. Winner goes on to the finals. Not sure how well that showed up, but if you look, Victor Rangel is your winner. So Victor Rangel goes on to the championship round. He'll face either Monster Jammer 9879 and the Patriot, or Livewire Monster Jam 626. And Monster Jammer 9879 in the Patriot gets the win. And so we're down to our championship matchup. Monster Jammer 9879 and Victor Rangel. It's the top two qualifiers. The bracket pretty much was one chalk except for one match. So pretty good in terms of what to expect. We'll see how that plays out in the championship with our top two qualifiers. And both trucks going very far, but it looks like the Patriot, Monster Jammer 9879, goes the furthest and picks up the win. Again, thank you guys for watching.